Hello everybody, welcome to the IDALS. My name is Mukesh Gupta and I'm your IDALS teacher. And in today's class, we're going to dance on the song Hit and Run by Francis Novotny. And this choreography is a little different from my other choreographies because in this choreography, we are dancing on the floor. Like I have created the full choreography on the floor. Whatever we are doing in this choreography is on the floor. So I am personally very excited to share this piece with you guys and see you guys in the class. Okay guys, let's start with the class. But before that, let me explain you what is this choreography is about. So basically I have created this choreography in 2020, the first lockdown. Yeah, and the first time I listened to this song, okay, by the way, we are dancing to Hit and Run, Maar Ke Bhag Jao. No, that's the name of the song, Hit and Run by Francis Novotny. And the first time I listened to this song, my intention was to create the full choreography on the floor. Like मैंने वो डिसाइड करके किया था कि मैं ये सॉन्ग पे कोरियोग्राफी बना रहा हूँ, मुझे फ्लोर पे ही सब कुछ करना है. सो वॉट एवर वी आर डूइंग इन दिस कोरियोग्राफी, एवरीथिंग वी आर डूइंग ऑन द फ्लोर. या सो दिस इज बेसिकली अ फ्लोर कोरियोग्राफी. वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग ऑन द फ्लोर. एंड this choreography requires a lot of control, of course, because there are some movement where your hands are up in the air, your legs are up in the air. आप ऐसे बैठे हो and you just have to hold. So it really requires your core strength to hold that position, and doing that in between the choreography is a little difficult. So this choreography will really help you build your control and like help you get more control while you dance. And of course this choreography has musicality, but again when I say musicality, it's not what I am catching but how I am catching. Why I say this always, because जब हमको समझ में आ जाता है ना कि what is the intensity of the music, what is the shape of the music, तो वो एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए मूवमेंट वाइज हमारे लिए बहुत ईजी हो जाता है ना. सो ऑलवेज वेन एवर यू लिसन टू एनी म्यूजिक और इवन अ पर्टिकुलर स्नेयर, ऑलवेज पे अटेंशन. इज इट अ स्टिक, इज इट अ रिबाउंड, इज इट अ रिवर्ब, टिक बज रहा है या टिक बज रहा है. सो अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन कोरियोग्राफ योर मूवमेंट. एंड third thing, choreography has isolation. So again you are working on isolations in this choreography. We are using more of our hands and legs in this choreography than the body. मतलब body भी use कर रहे हैं but हमारा leg और हाथ हम लोग ज़्यादा use कर रहे हैं इस choreography में. Yeah, that's it. So let's start with the choreography, everybody. I have divided this choreography into two sections to make it easy for you. So let's start with the section 1. Okay, so you start the choreography on the floor. आपका first movement है. Okay, before I start with the movement, let's understand the count. So we start the choreography on 8. So it goes like 5, 6, 7, 8. It's not 8 but 8. You're stretching the 8. 8. 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6 and no. 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6, 7 and a 8 and a. Okay, so it's 7 and a 8 and a. Last में आप लोग को focus करना है. First वाला easy है. It goes like 8, 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6. 7 and a 8 and a. 7 and a 8 and a is a little fast. So let's start with the first movement. You lie on the floor. सो जाना है. अभी ऐसे naturally आप ऐसे सो जाओगे. अभी if you see my both hands are by my body, मतलब मेरे बाजू में है, ऐसे साइड में open hand. बहुत close नहीं रखना है. Make sure you keep it like a diagonal. Yeah. If I show you this position like this, I am like this. Okay, let me teach you the first movement like this only. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. What I am doing? I am just taking my hands up. यहाँ से सिर्फ मेरे दोनों हाथ ऊपर आएंगे. 8. And if you see my fingers, it goes like, it's like I'm picking something. और I'm doing a magic on the floor. Woo! Yeah, so it goes like 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, 1, you're gonna go pelvic rise. You just have to go 1. Yeah, this is the first position. Wow.